Bore da pawb, sut oed ti? Well, it's that time of the week again where we find out who's been impressing their teachers. Now, before we all do, let's say a big hello to our ffrindiau. Now, I'm going to count to 3, and after 3, we're going to give each other a big virtual high five. Barod? 1, 2, 3, high five. Now, yesterday, I had to go into school to do some jobs, and I was so impressed by all the rainbows that I saw in your windows. And you know what? They reminded me of my favourite ever story. So I thought today I'd start my assembly by sharing that story with you. Now, my story is called How the Crayons Saved the Rainbow. I wonder, do you all know how a rainbow is made? Let's find out. So, the sun and the clouds were best friends. They worked together to keep the earth warm and the gardens growing. But all of the things they did together, their very favourite thing was making rainbows, so the whole world could be colourful and happy. Then, one day, the sun and the clouds had a big fight. The clouds were blocking the sun, and the sun couldn't shine through to the earth. I wonder if you can join in with this bit for me. So the sun went, ready everybody, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And the clouds went clap, bam, boom. They stopped being friends, and they were never seen in the sky again. Well, with the sun and the clouds having argued, it was scorching hot on some days, and it was damp and cold on others. And worst of all, there were no more rainbows. Without rainbows, the flowers and the streams and even the cities started to lose their colour. Soon the earth was black and white. But in one little town, in one little school, in one little desk, there was a forgotten box of crayons. And the crayons still had their colours. The desk shook, clambered and clanked, and all of a sudden, out toppled the box of colourful crayons. There they all are, look. Oren, a melyn, a gwyrdd, a coch, a glas, a porffor. The crayons started to search for the colours. They raided marker bins and through art books, and everything they could see was black and white. The crayons looked out of the window. The sun was to one side of the sky, looking very angry, and the clouds were all the way to the other side, looking really gloomy. So the crayons had an idea. They started drawing little rainbows all over the town, but nothing happened. The sun and the clouds didn't seem to notice. "We have to make our rainbows even bigger," shouted the crayons. And they grew and they scribbled and they made the biggest, brightest, most beautiful rainbow that the whole world had ever seen. Ever so slowly the sun perked up and the clouds floated for a closer look. The sun and the clouds both looked at the most beautiful rainbow they'd ever seen. "What bright colours," said the sun. "It's incredible," said the clouds. They looked at each other and they gave each other the most amazing smile. The sun said to the clouds, "Remember when we used to make rainbows together all the time?" The cloud nodded and he said, "I'm sorry for going clap bam boom, and I'm sorry for going sizzle sizzle at you," said the sun. "It's better being friends," said the sun and the cloud agreed, and the world became a colourful place once again. Now, on to my most favourite part of the week now. I need to find out who you have been impressing this week, which teachers have been really proud. Now, I know all your teachers are really proud of what you're doing, and I've seen some fantastic work from everybody, but I know it's a really difficult choice, but your teachers had to choose. And I'm going to go to Dosbarth Oren first. Now, in Dosbarth Oren this week, this is going to a little girl who's been really impressing her teacher by completing all her home learning tasks and trying her best. And this person is Robin. I wonder, after tree, can we give Robin a huge crackle, crackle, whoosh? Ready, everybody? In, die, tree, crackle, crackle, whoosh. Well done, Robin. Now, Dosbarth Melyn. Mrs. Thomas found this really hard to pick this week, but she's chosen a little boy. Oh my goodness, she is super proud of this little boy, and he's been joining in with lots of hub activities this week, and that's Cody. Diane Cody. Ready, Cody? We're going to give you a big crackle, crackle, whoosh after tree. Ready, Cody? In, die, tree, crackle, crackle, whoosh. Now, on to Dosbarth Coch. Dosbarth Coch, I know you are working super hard, and Miss Lewis is so impressed with you all, but this week she's chosen somebody who she's extremely proud of, and she said this person has really been trying hard in his CESO activities, and this person is Theo Roberts. After tree, let's give Theo a big crackle, crackle, whoosh. In, die, tree, crackle, crackle, whoosh. Now, on to mine. Now, I had a really hard choice this week, because my class this week, we've been flying off to Italy, and we've been doing loads and loads of different work. We've been making volcanoes and doing lots of different things. But I've chosen a little boy who has just blown me away with his super maths work this week, and that is, ready, drum roll, Ollie Moore. Diane, Ollie. Ready, after tree, we're going to give Ollie a big crackle, crackle, whoosh. In, die, tree, crackle, crackle, whoosh. Well done, everybody. Really impressing your teachers this week. Now, I've got one more thing to do before we finish. Now, I've got a very special birthday card here, okay? And this is going to somebody who's un, dau, tri, pedwar, pump, chwech, dwi'n chwech oed. Shall I have a look inside? So this special birthday card is saying a happy birthday to Kian. And Kian is chwech this week. Ready, Kian? We're going to count and Cymraeg to chwech a un am lwc. Ready? Un, dau, tri, pedwar, pump, chwech a un am lwc. Happy birthday. Penblwydd hapus, Kian. Now I've got another one here too. This one is for a little girl, and this little girl is chwech oed as well. And this, let's have a look inside, is a big happy birthday to Darcy, who is also dwi'n chwech oed this week. Ready, Darcy? We're going to clap for you. Un, dau, tri, pedwar, pump, chwech a un am lwc. Penblwydd hapus, Darcy. Well, everybody, keep impressing your teachers, and I can't wait to see all that fantastic work that you are doing, okay? So stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Da bo chi!